What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about damage done to our cars after we got the airbag inflators replaced on the passenger and driver side, because everybody has to get it done. I mean, I think I got like maybe 6-7 letters before I actually got it changed. Other people, I mean, I think they're even sending out like mobile texts to go out there and change them. But for me, the only damage I have, and I have seen people have worse damage, and it's not really crazy damage, it's just on the panel. This right here doesn't sit flush anymore. It used to sit, I mean, you couldn't even tell a difference, but see, you can see that little gap right there. I mean, I can push it in, but tomorrow, I mean, it's gonna pop right back out. And then, I don't even know if you can see it. In this right here, you can't really see it too well. There's a little tiny, oh, there we go, a little tiny dent right there. That was the one thing that I kind of noticed afterwards. And then the one obvious thing for me is this big old scratch, well, little scratch right here after they replaced the driver's side. So, I mean, for me, it's not serious damage, but other people, they're saying how one person had to say, or said he had to get his entire panel replaced because there were, 4 or 5 big old dents right there in his, that little plate right there. So I'm just curious, have y'all had to deal with any kind of damage, any kind of serious damage to your cars after getting this done? And if you did, what did the Ford dealership say after you brought it to their attention? Because me, I mean, that's not serious damage. I'm not a nitpicker like that, but some people are. So I'm just curious to know what was Ford's reaction when y'all told them about it. And the damage I hear most about is the passenger side panel, how it just doesn't sit flush like mine. So, I mean, it's nothing serious. It's just, I'm just curious, you know, see what kind of damage people have on their cars after getting their airbag inflators replaced. And the dealership I got mine fixed at, I'm sure that if I would have made an issue out of it, they would have replaced it because all the people there are really nice. I'm sure it's just an issue with the original sealant that the factory puts on, how, you know, when you take that panel off, how it just doesn't just go back 100%, so it's nothing crazy. But just let me know any kind of damage y'all have had to deal with down in the comments. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.